A few days ago, I had a conversation with my neighbor's daughter, and she told me fried rice is her favorite food. And I find that this is the case for many of us. I love fried rice too. Fried rice has gained so much popularity over the years. A lot of people have come to love this delicacy. And the interesting part, it is loaded with lots and lots and lots of vegetables, which is very good for our health. Now, in today's video, I will be sharing one of the ways I put this delicious meal together. If you are interested, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. This is Kitchen Avocados, and I say welcome. And these are the ingredients we'll be using. You see that it's not a very complicated meal to prepare. It's very straight to the point as long as you're able to source your ingredients. And now the ingredients I'll be using for today is sweet corn for some color, of course. Then we have the green bell pepper. Then we have the cowpea. Yes, my people, this is actually rehydrated cowpea. It's been dried previously. All I had to do was soak it overnight, and this is the result. It's very convenient for days you can't find cowpea in the market. Now we have the green beans as well. Then over there we have our chicken stock. This is from the chicken I had boiled previously. And then we have some carrots that have been diced. We have some onion. This is actually white onion I'll be using. It lends this sweetness to dishes. And then over there we have our seasoning cubes, we have our curry powder, we have our liver that has been boiled and fried lightly. Then we have our chopped real red peppers, just because we like the heat, And we have spring onion, and of course the star of the dish. This is rice that I have parboiled previously. So guys, stick around and see how we put all this together, and it promises to be an interesting episode. We begin by putting in the chicken stock and a bit more water, enough to cook the rice. Then we add in the rice. Let's put that in, and then taste for seasoning, so we don't end up over putting too much seasoning in the rice. We taste before we add any seasoning, since the chicken stock was well seasoned. Then I realized I needed to add just one seasoning cube. I crumble that in, stir, I'll cover and allow it to cook. Then we'll proceed to putting everything, the fried rice, together once the rice is cooked. Now the rice has cooked, and I'm just fluffing it up so it doesn't stick. Then we prepare to begin to put everything together. Now our oil has been heating up, and we just add in our onions and stir that in until it is translucent. And we begin by adding our ingredients. The chopped peppers goes in. We stir that. Next, we add our slightly fried liver. Stir that. Then we add our sweet corn, and followed by our green beans. Mix that together. Mix it. Then add our diced carrots. Mix it, mix everything. Add about a tablespoonful of curry powder, depending on the quantity of rice you're cooking now. Mix everything together, and then I'll add just a seasoning cube to season the vegetables. Mix that and finish off with our green bell peppers. Mix it all in and begin to add our cooked rice. Now guys, if you have watched to this point, it means I have your attention. Please just take a second, click on the subscribe button and like this video, share with your friends, and leave me comments in the comment section. Thank you. We continue to add in rice, stir, mix it to see the rice doesn't overpower the vegetables. Continue to do that. We add the rice, we mix, add the rice, we mix, and don't forget to do this on very high heat. Remember, we're stir frying everything now. Mix, mix, and it's almost ready. Just keep mixing. And finish off with our spring onion. Stir that in. And it is ready, guys. It's ready. Thank you very much for subscribing. See you in my next video. Bye.